Although we're going to be using Google Patents for a lot of our searching, patents happen to be one thing that you can't just Google. That is, you can't just type in a query into a search box and get an answer that you can use. Instead, we're going to search first using keywords in an organized, methodical way that will point us to patent classifications that we can then search more thoroughly. Once we locate promising classifications, we're going to either search them completely if it's possible, that is, if they're of a manageable size, or we're going to cross-reference them with keywords from other elements in our invention. Classification-based searching is how we get around the problems of obfuscation that I talked about earlier. It's how we look for the underlying meanings of patents, regardless of what language they use. Classification is the system for organizing patents, and everything under the sun that is patentable is going to have a classification. So if you wanted to find, say, containers for storage of ice cream or dredging machinery that uses suction, there are classifications for that, and it's just a matter of finding the right classification to search through. Patents are classified based on the content of their claims, not their specification. What we care about most in prior art searching is what's in the specification, and there can be some differences between what's in the claims and what's in the specification. For example, sometimes you will run into what is essentially a basic mechanical invention, but the claims will all relate to methods of use. And so that classification for that particular patent and that particular invention is going to be in a method-based claim. On a case-by-case basis, this could cause some confusion. However, we're always going to look at enough references that we can be pretty confident that we are going to find the right classifications based on the patterns of classifications in those references.